A blast ripped through a chemical plant in East China's Shandong province around midnight Monday, killing at least 5 people. The explosion occurred at a factory that produces modified adhesive materials. The blast triggered a fire which was put out early Tuesday morning. Wastewater from the plant has been sealed and there's no spillover. The local environmental watchdog is monitoring the air and water quality in the area. So far, no contamination has been detected. The cause of the blast is under investigation.